Olive leaf extracts benefits. Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the amazing world of natural health and wellness. Today, we're exploring a powerful yet often overlooked natural remedy, olive leaf extract. This incredible extract has been used for centuries, and today, we'll uncover its top benefits and why you might want to consider adding it to your health routine. Let's get started. Olive leaf extracts benefits. 1. Antioxidant powerhouse. First up, olive leaf extract is a powerhouse of antioxidants, particularly one called oleuropein. Antioxidants are vital because they help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can lead to aging and various diseases. Incorporating olive leaf extract into your diet can help enhance your body's natural defenses, keeping you healthier for longer. 2. Supports immune health. Another major benefit of olive leaf extract is its ability to support immune health. With its antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties, this extract can help your body fend off infections more effectively. Whether it's cold season or you're just looking to give your immune system a little extra support. 3. Heart health benefits. Studies suggest that it can help lower blood pressure and improve cholesterol levels. The oleuropein in olive leaves may help relax your blood vessels, improving circulation and reducing the strain on your heart. This means a lower risk of heart disease and better overall cardiovascular health. 4. Anti-inflammatory properties. Olive leaf extract is also known for its potent anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is linked to many health issues, including arthritis and other joint problems. By reducing inflammation, olive leaf extract can help relieve pain and improve mobility, making it a natural option for those dealing with chronic pain or inflammation. 5. Blood sugar control. Research suggests that it can help regulate blood sugar, making it beneficial for people with or at risk of type 2 diabetes. It's thought to work by improving insulin sensitivity and helping your body manage glucose more effectively. So, there you have it, 5 fantastic benefits of olive leaf extract. Whether you're looking to boost your immune system, support heart health, or manage inflammation, this natural remedy might be just what you need. Remember, it's always best to consult with a healthcare provider before adding any new supplement to your routine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.